listen, I wouldn't even bother. Anyways, guys, so welcome back to Weekend Smile. As part of the great memories from our school days include the snack, right? We always know how to snack them. So, yeah, we got them in our lunch pan, and then we bought some from the vendors at the school. So this morning, we have a memory taste challenge waiting for us. So let's get blindfolded and let the games begin. We'll see who will be able to identify the snack them. Put on your mask, Talia.
Debbie.
I don't trust you enough. Put on yours. No, put on yours. Put on yours all the way through.
All right, hold on. Debbie, I make sure somebody lock up.
How many fingers is?
I don't know, I can't see.
Okay, good.
I feel like I'll lock it in my ear. You serious?
Hold on there.
I can't see anything, guys.
If I have mascara on my cheek after this, you know.
Debbie, you lock up?
I lock up tight.
All right.
Who is this? Who's this person? I feel somebody.
It's Jody.
It's here. Hi, Jojo.
Hi, Dave.
Okay, so we're going to reach for the snacks, starting on our right side, I believe.
Okay.
Left
Left
to right. You told us right to left.
to right.
Okay, right.
Okay. All right, tell me when to go.
Left to right, okay. First one.
Ready? Want to put them on
How
the team
many?
for me? Nobody know.
But I'm feeling all
Alright, I
four.
feel
Okay,
something.
fine. First
Alright, I
one.
feel something.
First one.
This is Tigers.
Tigers.
Yes.
It's cheesy.
So firstly, you see when I touch it?
Cheesy, that's for sure.
It's round and tough. Right?
I think it's because it's been laying out for a while, so the ear take it and it gets a little stylish. Right?
Okay. So it's cheesy.
Oh,
It's crunchy. See if I can find it again.
Super crunchy.
Yeah.
And it has the little foot something on it. It has the little foot something. It have 3 toes on it. 1, 2, 3. Not a big foot. It's not all the way a big foot.
Oh yeah,
but
it
it's
has
a tigger.
toes for true, Debbie. Hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Right? And it's messy. It leaves residue.
It's crunchy.
Right. Okay, so
Okay,
it's Tigers.
Tigers.
Ding, ding,
You know,
ding.
say, yo, how much you used to pay for Tigers, Debbie? Like
First of all, we
$3.
still buy Tigers right now. If you're going through traffic,
Yeah, man.
big up the
Let me see if I
Tigers
can
man
find the
them.
next one.
Because,
Just
yeah,
open
we're going
up
to save with
appetite.
more time.
Hold on,
All
let
right,
me
next
see.
one.
Hold on, I'm going to eat one more Tigers. Hold on, Debbie. Them taste good.
You're very good. Okay, all right. So this is another one.
Next one.
Another glass. I don't know what's in it. It
Where's the left to right producer?
everything for me is in one straight row.
Yeah, mine is in a row too. All right, next one.
All right, this feels like sugar is there.
It feels a little sticky.
It feels like a buster. Hold on, I don't put your
What
mouth in, but it feels like a buster. Hold on. Master got it tough up.
I
Hold on.
can't bite this. I can't bite. Ooh, hold on.
It's
so
a buster.
It smells. Hold on, but
It's a
you
buster,
guys
you
know
can't
that buster
bite
have
it.
a smell, right? Is molasses make buster though? Is molasses make buster?
Anyways. It can't bite. Let me tell you what used to be wicked is that when you were in primary school and he touched the buster and you have that paper that gets stuck on the buster,
You better suck off the paper too, you know.
or chew it up with the paper upon it too.
Oh,
there's
there's paper too?
Hold on. The producer said paper is the producer said paper is on this. Hold on.
Let's see if we can hide it. Yeah.
So
Then
buster has a
my
little it's a little coconut business that go on in it.
I taste coconut and I taste some molasses. But it's up and down my teeth.
Holy past sugar, my love.
But you know I used to go on? You know I used to go on, Debbie?
Wow.
If you go and eat through this now,
I can't bite.
I eat up on your teeth, yes, I feel like I'm suck some.
I can't my love. I can't
Thank you. Actually done.
Yeah, you have to put this back in a wrapper and leave it till later. Okay? All right, cool. All right, so these are the things that I've used already.
I don't know if it drop
Next one.
And the thing with the buster, so sometimes it choke, you know.
Tell me, don't swallow this something. Leave it alone.
No,
Okay, the third bowl. I don't know what's in
I
this.
find it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What is?
I'm nervous. All right.
Oh, God.
All right, so this feels like
Wait a minute.
Donkey Kong.
Jack Kong.
Donkey Kong. Okay, Jackass Kong.
All right, so guys, with this now, you have to be careful so you broke out your teeth.
Jackass Kong. Nowadays, don't say a Jackass Kong first time.
Right now, my
Jackass Kong first time, you cannot crack it with your teeth, okay? You have to
You have to
suck
broke
on it
it.
for a while.
No, I know some. You know me used to do that.
Right?
Used to use,
There's
used to
no,
broke it.
yeah, there's no breaking it up with the teeth. It will dislocate the jawbone. And then when they taste there, like them add more vanilla and stuff inside these ones. The first time when they never have no vanilla
Let me
in
see if I
there.
find the next piece. Hold on. Wait up. I broke it so.
All
All
right.
right.
Eat. Yeah, eat, don't it?
Might as well.
Okay.
But it doesn't taste bad.
All right, hold on.
But
Last
have
one.
more?
Yeah, the
Where's
last
my
one.
Too? Huh?
Ooh, tamarind ball.
How you move so fast? Debbie, you can't see, you know.
And I think I'm feeling it. So you can't feel it, I know it's not them. So like, if you trust me, if you ever eat in the dark, you know what you know what your snacks are.
So guys,
You're not a
okay,
child
so,
if you never eat in the
so
dark,
this is,
right?
It's round. Let me finish my jackass cover. So.
Oh my God, the tamarind them nice.
Yeah.
First time tamarind ball though. First time tamarind ball will shut down one of your eye them. It was so tangy that you could not, like, this is see how I put one whole ball in my mouth? You cannot do that.
Well,
Okay.
I never put one whole ball in my mouth. I just bite like a piece.
No, like this.
I don't know what to expect.
You used to not closing your eye first time I would water and them something there. It's a really, really tangy thing. But can we take it off now since we've identified everything? Yeah? Okay.
Well, back in the day, tamarind ball was the kick. It
My God.
is.
Okay. Tamarind ball without spirit is also very good.
Yeah, true. So true. But you know, so they don't really leave on the paper on this thing,
No,
though.
and so hold on, you know.
I want to say so.
We really actually we were biting the buster with the paper on it.
That's a Jamaican way to do it, guys.
And if you talk to someone in HR, it's not
But
right.
back in the day, and you know, so they didn't used to package it so pretty back in the day, you know. You used to get it in a little plastic bag with tie at the top. Right? I never watch nothing, you know. You just have to, you just have to say, yeah? I just hope whoever made this
Yeah, had good hands.
have good hands.
Exactly.
It's clean.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys,
This was yummy.
It was very yummy in my tummy, and a yummy trip down memory lane. We soon come back. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to eat some more.